374 coming to you from the Bass Cave. I got a MTB replacement from Tackle Warehouse. That's when I take the money I used to spend on MTB and buy something from Tackle Warehouse just to replace it. I'm going to buy stuff anyway, so just do it. But anyway, I got more on MTB at the end, so stick around. But just a small order, nothing big, because it's not a lot of money. But I wanted to get one of these. By the way, hope everybody's doing well. It's fishing season. You can tell I'm ready to go. Beginning of the video, you seen I fired the Ranger up. She's ready to go. So it's game on. Got a club tournament in about 2 weeks, so time to get out on the river. But anyway, Uncle Josh, I got a Big Daddy frog in the brown. I needed the brown. They were on back order forever, so I ended up getting 1 jar of it. This stuff's expensive. It's like, what, 11 bucks for 1 jar of it now. I got some of the old stuff. I keep saying I'm going to do a comparison, but I just haven't got around to it. I will, though. And been hearing about this stuff. It's the U40 Cork Seal. I've never used it. I got some new rods that I got this spring and over winter. Got cork handles. Figured give it a try. I saw Tackle Junkie using it, and he's using it. You know, must be some pretty good stuff. So I got the U40 Cork Seal. Just got to get some brush, get a brush to put it on with. Anyhow, I bought a pack of 7-inch Junebug power worms. Awesome bait around here on the rivers, stained water. That's all I fish. You know what they look like. I ain't gonna break these out, stink up everything, but stick on. I need really, you know, wanted to get some Junebug stuff, so a lot of this stuff is going to be Junebug, one of my favorite colors. Been using it forever. These ones I wanted to try is the 7-inch ribbon tail Junebug from Gambler. I use a lot of Gambler stuff, and I don't use as many of their ribbon tail worms. They got these sealed up. I ain't gonna rip them out. They got them sealed up. But anyway, just a ribbon tail worm, Junebug, and I just didn't have a lot of Gambler worms. I mean, I use a lot of their creatures and stuff, and I got 2 packs of them. Just give them a try, check them out. I like that Junebug color. They got a pretty hot one. These ones, these are the Exoskeleton Crawls in the Tackle Warehouse color, dark Junebug. So I wanted to get these, try them out. I think these tops are open. I'll get one out. So it says it's a Tackle Warehouse exclusive color. Man, that's definitely some dark Junebug. That's it. Put that on back of some jigs and just regular Texas rig, flip it around. Give that one a try. Got another color of these. It is the Purple Shadow. So it'll be another purple one. Not quite sure what the shadow part is, but check them out. See what it looks like. I think it's just, I think it's purple on one side and black on the other, possibly. See that in the light. I hope this light's better. I bought one of these light rings. I know the light's been terrible in a lot of the videos, so let me know if it's a little better. I know it blinds me. And last pack of plastics I got were from Big Bite Baits. It's another creature bait, the Swimming Mama. Got it in hematoma. It's black blue basically color. Yeah, these are sealed up too. I ain't gonna rip the top on these. Anyway, just another creature bait for Big Bite Baits. Black blue. Should be good. And I got one more thing, but it's on back order, so I grabbed what the alternate was that I already have. It'll be the same thing, it'll just be in white. Of course, it's a frog. I always end up buying a frog. I got frogs everywhere. But anyway, this is the black one. Oh, there's no glare on this thing. This is the black one. It's the 15th anniversary Spro. Ended up buying the white one, and it's back ordered. So, same thing coming, but just in white. I just put that up for show because it ain't in yet. So, anyway, that was it for the replacement. Good stuff. Be using it here pretty soon. Like I said, about 2 weeks. Speaking of mystery tackle box, I had a birthday not too long ago. And you know how family members are. They think fishing, anything fishing related, you're going to like. So, they'll buy you the weirdest things just because you fish. And sometimes it's good, sometimes, you know, not so good. Had to deal with helicopter lures back in the 90s, I guess, where someone bought me a helicopter lure kit, and I went, oh, gee, thanks. And anyway, they're long gone. Probably still got a few lying around somewhere. But anyway, family member decided to get me a subscription to Mystery Tackle Box. So, this is it. It came in. I haven't opened it. As you know, I'm not too thrilled with them. So, I'm going to do another video and we'll criticize the new Mystery Tackle Box for April. Because I just got it this week. But anyway, this is Easter week. Hope everybody gets to spend time with their family. And maybe get out and do some fishing if you got an extra day off. But anyway, that's it for now. Keep an eye out for the awesome Mystery Tackle Box unboxing. I know everybody's waiting for it. But anyway, stay safe out there. Go catch some fish. It's time now. And I'll catch everyone on the flip side. It's Ranger374 and I'm out.